If you got no place to go and I feel them down.
Okay, without the music?
If you don't have to go to place,
Sing it. Don't interpret it.
don't. Okay, if you got no place to go
Okay,
and I
good.
be there down.
Okay, try it. If you got no
Place to go and I build them round. If you got no place to go and down.
Okay, that's not bad. So I'll sing it. If you got no place to go and you're feeling down.
You're feeling down.
And you're feeling down.
El feeling no lo entendía.
And you're feeling down. Yes, and you're feeling down.
And you're feeling down. If
So-
you go to a place to go and you're feeling down.
Okay, don't look at it now. Sing it.
If you're going to a place to
No,
go and you're feeling
You
down.
keep saying. You like the word "gone" too now. Okay, but sing it. Sing it.
If you got no place to go and you're feeling down.
Much better. Okay. Got.
Got.
No. Go. Got.
If you got no place to go and you're feeling down.
Go. Go.
Go.
Yeah. If you got no place to go. See how this